Probably shouldn't have used palatable to describe my feet. But anyway,
I just finished bar and I'm now outside Sephora because I need to get a dry shampoo and I also want to buy the Tower 28 SOS spray because now that I'm an active workout fitness lady, my hair is always sweaty and I hate that. I do wash my hair every day, but I work out twice a day, so I need to refresh my hair. Not all the time, but I need something to refresh my hair in between my workouts. For dry shampoo, I did a bit of research, and from what I saw online, people recommend the Living Proof dry shampoo and the Amika one. I don't know which ones I'm gonna get yet, and I also actually need to get a mascara. My go-to mascara is the Maybelline Sky High. They don't have that at Sephora, so maybe I'll check out their options for mascara, but I don't know. I hate spending money on pricier mascaras, and I don't want to drive to Ulta or Target after this. I don't know. We'll see. I will definitely check out the mascara options here at Sephora.
okay, so before doing my makeup, I actually just showered and I didn't wash my hair, and I now want to try the dry shampoo that I bought. So I ended up buying both. I bought the Living Proof in full size, and then I bought the Amika one in like a travel size. So this is the Amika Perk Up Plus Extended Clean Dry Shampoo. So I'm expecting that it's Perk Up Plus because it gives more volume to the hair. So I'm actually gonna give this a try first. As you can see, I actually have already a good amount of volume in my hair. I just need to fix it. Shake well, spray 8 inches away from roots in a sweeping motion. Wait 30 seconds, massage product into scalp or brush it through. Apply more as needed. Ideal for day 4 to 5 hair. I washed my hair last night, so I actually wash my hair every day because I'm Filipino. I don't know about Filipino Americans or other Filipinos who were born and raised in other countries, countries outside the Philippines. But Filipinos, most of the time, are very hygienic because it's so hot in the Philippines. So most of the time, people shower and wash their hair, shampoo their hair every single day. Sometimes even twice a day. Most of the time, personally, I shower twice a day. But since I've been working out a lot, I've been needing to really wash my hair regularly. And I don't want to shampoo my hair twice a day because my hair is already dry as it is. So I don't want to, make it even more drier. Is that grammatically correct anyway? So that's why I bought dry shampoo. I also got the SOS facial sprays. So these together, these will probably go in my bag, and then this will stay at home. I now want to style my hair, and I'm gonna use this wavy talk hair styler. I'm just gonna do my toenails because I will be doing hot yoga in about an hour, and my feet are actually in need of a bit of an overhaul. The nail polish application is not gonna fix my feet, but it will kind of like, make it look more palatable. Probably shouldn't have used palatable to describe my feet. But anyway, I will be using this nail polish. I know that it's small. I just wanted to give it a try. But this nail polish system that I have, it dries in, I think, 20 minutes. Like, it actually dries in 20 minutes. So I'm gonna use this. What is that? That was intense. I do like it though. I enjoyed it. I think that it's a good workout. It's nice to, get really sweaty sometimes. I should shower now. I have to make dinner first actually. I'm going to change into my pangbahay clothes. Pangbahay is a Filipino word which means clothes to be worn at home, only at home. So I'm gonna change into my pangbahay, make dinner, have dinner, and then shower. That's what's gonna happen. I feel tired, but in a very good way. So that only means one thing. It means it was a good workout. I'm proud of myself today. Proud of you, girl. Plus, the instructor during this morning's bar class told me that my form is getting better, that's good because I've been going to this class regularly for the past 2 weeks. So that's nice. It's nice that I'm actually improving, but I'm just kidding. And by the way, sorry for the close up, but this is the mascara. I don't know what happened to this one. This part has been it's like super clumped and flaking. Okay, please don't screenshot me doing that, but yeah, I don't know what happened to this one. It was flaking while I was doing hot yoga. That's not good. I was already having a hard time with, sweat dripping all over my face. And my flaky mascara wasn't helping, It's actually adding to my, I don't want to say misery because I wasn't miserable, but you know what I mean. Like, you're not helping.
So it's only 11. My husband and I are about to leave. This morning I went to a bar class, went home, took a shower, did my hair and makeup, and now we're gonna have lunch with a friend and then we're gonna go bowling. So I haven't done that in years. I remember one of our first few dates, my husband and we went bowling. And then I think we went bowling while he was in his residency. I think this was before COVID, and I think that was the last. So yeah, kind of missed bowling.
Nobody's here.
that's the way that things are. Do I make my own truth so it won't break my heart? Stop wasting your time, stop wasting time. No one's gonna be there when you make it to the finish line. Stop wasting your time, stop wasting time. No one's gonna be there when you make it to the finish line. Was it the fear of being alone that kept us together? All along, the mindset was clear. I no longer belong. Will I set a new path and move on? Move on. Do you know who you are when there's no one around? Who are you when there's no one around? Stop wasting your time. Stop wasting time. No one's gonna be there when you make it to the finish line.
Okay, I've now changed into my workout clothes. I have here my Celsius and my electrolyte water. This is just I bought the powdered Celsius, and this is just half the packet, and this is IV liquid. So I will be attending a body pump class, and I don't think I've ever been to a body pump class. I know what it is. I've seen it because I used to go to this gym that had a body pump class. I don't know. I probably have. I'm not sure. But I don't know. We'll see. I'm actually kind of excited.
I'm all thrown off because it's Thursday. I'm actually early for the first time ever. And I'm thinking, well, maybe it's a Thursday thing.
I'm now done with the body pump class, and it's still raining. I don't know why I don't look like I went to a body pump class. I'm not at all sweaty or anything, but I did sweat during the class, and it was a hard class. I guess I just didn't push myself as much because this was my first time to attend that class, and I used mostly light weights. So yeah, I will definitely take this class again and build strength.
My hair doesn't look as greasy anymore, and it also gave my hair a bit of volume. So I just got back from Zumba, and I am having some leftover tapa from lunch, leftover rice and kimchi. I'm just gonna have a quick dinner, hop into the shower, and then I'm going to a friend's house.
Mananalunin niya ako para makauwi na siya. One stick.
And it's one of the planet's deadliest animals. This creature is a mind-altering parasite and uses gullible people to carry out its life cycle. Once the fur goblin invades a home, it brainwashes the people living there into thinking they adopted it as a pet.
After lunch, I fell asleep at the couch, and I woke up at 4. I don't know. I guess I'm just super tired. But earlier today, when I got home from my workout. My husband gave me a gift. It's actually our anniversary today. We do not have any plans. I actually forgot that it's our anniversary. You know, I'm just so busy and focused with my everyday tasks that I actually forgot that it's our anniversary. But he didn't, and he got me a gift, and this is what he got me. So it's a massager. It's by Bob and Brad. He said he did some research, and apparently this is I don't know if the same quality or even better than the higher end brands, and at a lower cost. So yeah, so obviously this is not sponsored, but this is his gift to me because he said I've been working hard a lot. And he actually used this on me when I got home, literally after a workout, and it felt so good. So yeah, so this is such a nice gift for, you know, someone who's doing this challenge. It's Sunday morning and I'm now on the way to a bar class. Post-workout protein drink.
So I'm just gonna quickly go to the grocery store to buy some groceries. I'm gonna make bistek for lunch, bistek Tagalog for lunch. And I want to buy bananas and frozen cauliflower.
I'm now on my way to Zumba. After I got home earlier, I made lunch, and then what did I do? Yeah, I made lunch and I took a nap for 2 hours after lunch. Is a 2-hour nap actually considered a nap? Is it a nap? Like a very long nap? And then when I woke up, I took a 10-minute shower, just, you know, to wake my body up. And so yeah, now I'm on my way to Zumba.
Stop wasting your